Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance USD. USD, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin designed to maintain a value equivalent to $1. This stability makes it ideal for trading cryptocurrencies without the volatility of other digital assets. Binance US provides a secure and straightforward platform for buying, selling, and trading with USD, making it accessible for all users. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to fund your Binance US account. You can deposit US dollars directly using a bank transfer, also known as an ACH transfer, or by linking your debit card. Remember, your account must be fully verified to enable these deposit methods. While debit card deposits are often quicker, bank transfers usually take a few business days to clear and become available for use on the platform. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, especially when you're focused on crypto. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. Check the description below for a link to grab yours and discover other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your USD funds are available, purchasing USD is simple. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance US platform. Choose USD from the list of available cryptocurrencies and input the amount of US dollars you wish to spend. Always double-check the order details, including the exchange rate, before confirming your purchase. Your USD will then appear in your wallet. With USD in your wallet, you can now trade it for other cryptocurrencies. Binance US offers numerous trading pairs, allowing you to exchange USD for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Navigate to the spot trading interface, select your desired trading pair, and choose between a limit order for specific pricing or a market order for immediate execution. It's a flexible way to manage your crypto portfolio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.